Hello friends. If you are a true IT career aspirant, in order to enable you to realize your dreams smartly, I am sharing a great technique with you. It is first of its kind. That is, learn like a technocrat and feel like a technocrat. How to learn that like a technocrat? Through this concept, I am going to explain. You can get the proof. You can master the concept. Here, the concept is science versus engineering versus technology. Actually, I am going to explain this from indigenized organic way. That means everything from real life. Nothing is new to you. Then, because of that, it is related to you and you can easily understand and you can easily own it. Here, three examples I am going to give it to you. First one is your own, that is drinking water. Second one is related to your home, that is pressure cooker. Third one is relating to industry, that is a steam engine. So by understanding the three examples, then you will be in a, not just understanding, you will be in a position to explain that. After that, you enjoy the sense of achievement that you can experience. I cannot explain it to you. Now, I explain the first example of our own drinking water. Through the process of drinking water, I am going to explain the three terms science, engineering, and technology and the relationships among them. Practically, actually, you have to understand a fact. A room is having a level of temperature and a level of pressure. Where if you are able to create a low pressure, water enters into the low pressure area. That point, that is science. Means discovering natural facts. Okay. Now, when we are drinking water, what we do, we create a low pressure in our mouth. Because of that reason, the water in the glass enters into our mouth. Just observe that. First time you may observe that. That is science. Because of scientific principle, the water enters into the mouth. What you are doing, you are creating a low pressure in your mouth. That is science. Science discovers. Thereafter, engineering. Actually, how can we make this drinking process simpler, comfortable? For that purpose, engineers thought of a tube. If you create a tube, then what happens? We can create low pressure through the tube. By that, water is pumped. Then that is engineering. In engineering, what they are designing? They are designing a tube. Then that is engineering. So engineering designs. Thereafter, a drinking straw is developed for that purpose. Then conveniently, especially when you are drinking cool drinks and all that, then it is the most convenient tool. Then what technology you doing? Technology is delivering. So the three terms you can understand in the drinking process. Science is there. Science discovers. Engineering designs and technology delivers. Second one is home example, pressure cooker secret. For your information, in the pressure cooker, all the three concepts are there, science, engineering, and technology. Now I explain that. First one, science discovers. Actually, water. Water is boiled. It turns into steam. But here you have to understand the amazing fact. If you boil the water, it turns into steam of 1500 times more. That means 1 liter of water is boiled. It turns into 1500 plus liters of steam. That point you have to understand. So, through science principle, what you can understand, when water is boiled, it is converted, turned into steam. And its volume is 1500 times more than the water volume. That is discovering the principle. Thereafter, engineering. In engineering, what we are doing, we are designing. If that steam is tapped in a sealed vessel, lot of pressure is created. Because vessel is this much, 1500 times of steam is created. That's why obviously lot of pressure as well as heat is created. Okay, that point you have to understand. So in engineering, what they think of, which material for the vessel, which material is to be used, what is its thickness, what are the safety measures and all that are thought in engineering. That is designing. Thereafter, technology. Technology means delivering a product which is useful for the society. Based on this engineering principle, a pressure cooker was developed. In the pressure cooker, according to the engineering design they developed, in the pressure cooker what happens, lot of pressure is created as well as heat is created. That's why food is cooked fastly. That you have to understand. The third one is industry example. That is steam engine. Actually, whatever principle we used in the pressure cooker, the same principle is used in the steam engine. In the steam engine, enormous volume of water is put and it is boiled. Ultimately, lot of steam is developed, and the steam is used to move the wheels. Ultimately, a train runs using steam engine. That point you have to understand. So, in that also, science is there, engineering is there, and technology is there. Finally, you have to understand that science is understanding the natural facts or what is happening. Engineering is meant for designing. Technology is for developing and delivering the products which are useful for the society. In this manner, you have to understand. And in a similar way, I am providing 50 concepts in Clarity 50. All the concepts, just maximum 3 times you watch. Then, because of these real life examples, you can easily understand them and own them. Ultimately, you will be in a position to explain to others with a clarity and 100% confidence. No doubt about that. This is my assurance.